Hi everyone!
Hey guys!
Hi! Welcome to Jelly Play. Today we're going to be opening up some super fun Disney Doorables. We have Series 1 and Series 2 in here. Okay, let's get straight into these. So in these you can either get 2 characters or 3 if you're very lucky. Alright, let's open up the first one.
Let's see what we got.
There's a little plastic we can remove. Alright, and let's open our door. Ooh, who's in here? Okay, who's our first character? Wow.
Oh, that is so cool.
Look at that. So that's Moana's grandmother. That's so beautiful. I love the rose in her hair.
You know what? I don't think we have her yet.
I don't think we have her either. Okay, let's put her down here. And oh, our other character fell out. It's Pinocchio as like half donkey. That's so funny.
That is pretty cool.
Look at his little mouth. He's like so shocked.
He's like,
oh no.
What is this?
Okay, let's put him here. And if you guys can see,
we
have a third one.
We got a third one.
So we can take off our plastic. Oops. And here is our third Disney Doorable.
Let's see who we got.
See who we've got. Oh my goodness, guys. It's Pascal from Tangled.
Is he all glittery?
He's all glittery,
oh,
so he must be a rare.
Yeah, maybe he's a rare.
Oh my goodness, so cute.
That is really cool.
Let's put him next to Pinocchio. Okay, would you like to open the other box?
Sure.
Perfect, I'll get the plastic off for you.
Thank you very much.
This one's harder. There we go. And that's yours.
Okay, let's see who we got. Ooh.
That's okay.
Thank you. Let me try to open this. Oh, who do we have?
Who's in there? Oh, well, I think I see this. It's Moana.
You know who she would probably like to hang out with?
Her grandmother, right here.
Perfect.
And then you want to see who else is in here?
Let's see who it is. I'm gonna drop it.
It's Prince Hans from Frozen.
Good old Hans.
I think we've already got this one, but that's okay.
That's okay, we can have more.
Yeah, we'll put him next to Pascal.
Add him to our collection.
And we're lucky.
We did get a third one.
We got a third one in here. Okay, let's get this out. Here you go, so you can open this one.
Thank you very much. Now let's see who we got. Ooh. You're much better opening these than I am. Ooh.
Who is it? Oh, wow, I love this.
Look at it.
Upside down. Oh, I love it.
That is so
it's
creative.
From Alice in Wonderland.
Whoever thought of doing that is really smart.
I love it.
Upside down?
Upside down.
Okay, well we have one more.
One more box left. Oh, this one is from Series 2, so we're going to get a whole bunch of different characters. Okay, let's take our plastic off. Okay, let's
Open it up.
our door. Ooh, we've got some characters in here.
Oh, it's so cool.
It's Prince Eric from The Little Mermaid. He's so cute. Look at his little smile.
He has a little smirk going on.
Put him right here.
Yep.
And we have another character in here. Who is this? Oh, looky. I think that's from Chip and Dale. That's so
that's
cute.
so cool. We don't have either of those yet. That's a really good box.
So we'll put him here next to Prince Eric. And we got lucky for the third time.
Another one.
Let's get this. I think it's because you can tell whenever the box is heavier, it looks like there might be another one.
Yeah, we kind of try to like pick boxes that are a bit heavier and it seems to be working out.
Look. Okay, last character. Let's see who we've got. Oh, wow. It's Princess Elsa. This is from Frozen Fever with her little green dress.
Covered in glitter. That's so pretty.
Covered in glitter. Here, let's put her right here. So these are all the characters that we've got. I'm so excited. I really love Pascal.
Wow, I honestly am really happy with all these that we got.
Me too.
There's so many new ones. We didn't have that one. Don't think we had that one or most of these either.
Yeah, so this was a really good haul. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed, please give it a big thumbs up to let us know you liked the video. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye!
Bye!